What's up, Doinks? Welcome back to Sudoku with Joy. My name is Sudoku. It's Monday, so you know what that means. It's time for brand new artisanal Sudoku. We're going with Spectacle by James Sinclair from volume 190. Before we get going, if you like what I do, please hit subscribe. It is free for you, but it does me a lot of good. And I'm getting closer to 1,000, so that's the goal right now. All right, Spectacle. Normal Sudoku rules apply. We have cages and arrows. Normal Sudoku rules, that's 1 to 9 in every row, every column, every 3 by 3 box. Cage, every dotted area is a cage, and they need to sum to the digit in the top left. So that's a 10. These two add up to 10. These two add up to 7, 5, etc. with no repeats. Now, arrows. So these two digits have to add up to this. These two have to add up to that. These can repeat if the rules of Sudoku allow it to. All right, now let's get going. So I see this 4. There's only one option for that, which is a 1, 3. This 5 is a 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. 10 has a few options. Okay, but all right, so we can look at this 10. 10 cannot be a 1, 9 or a 2, 8. So this is 3, 7 or 4, 6. It's a 3, 7 or 4, 6. Okay, I'm going to do that. 3, 7, 4, 6 just to get it going. 1, 3. So this is a 4 or 6 as well. If this is a 3, then this would have to be a 4. No, wait. No, that's not true. These have to add up to 7. This does not have to add up to 7. These two do not have to add up to 7. They have to add up to less than 7. It can't be a 1, 6 or a 2, 5. So this is going to be a 3, 4. So this is a 3, 4 pair. Now this cannot be a 4. So this is a 3, that's a 4. Then this is going to be a 2, that's a 1, that's a 3. Then that's going to be a 1 and a 3. All right, there we go. I'm liking that. So we have a 1 in here, so that's going to be a 1, 9. All right, so this cannot be a 3 or a 4. So this is now a 6, 7, which puts this as a 3, 4. Because if this was a 3, 4, they would both need to, either one of them would have to include a 1, and they can't because of this guy. Okay, so then we know that there's, no matter what, there's a 1 over here. And then it's 1, 2, or 3. Okay, so then we have 3s over here. All right, so the 9, this cannot be a 1, 8 or a 2, 7. So this would be a 3, 6 or 4, 5. This one cannot be a 3. So then this one cannot be a 6. This is a 3 to be a 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay. So this is, all right, this is a 2, 3 pair. We know that. So this is either a 1, I think it's a 1 or a 2. Yeah, so this is a 1 or a 2, but it can't, oh no, so that's going to be a 1. So then this cannot be a 5. So then this cannot be a 4. So this is going to be a 5, 6. That's a 3, 4. All right, we're getting there, slowly but surely. So we have 1s over here, and 1 is definitely going to be on this one. That's a 1, 2, 3 triple now. We got 1s over here. Excuse me. Oh, didn't want to do that. Wanted to do that. 1, 2, 3 triple. So this is a 4, 5, or 6. All right. These are a lot of low digits. This one cannot have a 1, 6 or 3, 4. So this is going to be a 2, 5, and we can place that as a 2, 2 there, and a 5 there. All right. What do we see? We know it can't be a 1-8 or a 2-7. And we'll do 3, 6, 4, 5. This cannot be a 3, so that cannot be a 6. Okay, so this is a 1. This cannot be a 4 anymore, so then that can't be a 5. So this is going to be a 1 or a 3, and we can place that. So that's going to be a 1, that's going to be a 1, which puts this as a 3, so then that's going to be a 6. And then 6s are 1, 5, or 2, 4. Can't be 1, so they can't be 5, so this is going to be a 4, that's a 2, 3, 2. So then this becomes a 4, which pairs it with a 5. There we go. Then we need, this is going to be a 1 and a 4, so that's going to be the 1. This is now a 3, that's a 4, that's also a 4. Pairs this with a 6. There we go. So then this is going to be a 2, 4 as well, and we can place it there. Oh, that's a 2, that's an 8. Oh, that's a 2, that's an 8. This is a 1, so that's going to be a 6. So this is also a 6. All right, we are getting somewhere real fast. That's going to be a 3. 3 is down here. Can't be there, so this is the 3. This is also, and that's the last 3. Look at that. So fast. We should be able to finish the 4s as well. 4 there, 4 there. Yeah, 4s are done. Okay. What about 2s? Do we know about all the 2s? I think we do. Or enough of them. So then that's a 2 as well. Yeah, 2s are done. 2, 3, 4 are done. So let's finish off the 1s. 1, 9. All right. Okay. So then 8s are here. I'm going to put pencil mark 6s there. 6 is here. Oh, 6s are there, so that's not a 6. This is a 6. Okay. 2, 3, 4. This is now 5, 8, and 7. Okay. This is a 7, 8, 9. It's a 5, 7, 8. Okay. All right. What do we need here? 5, 7, and 9. 5, 7, and 9. Okay, and then that's not the 9. 3, 4, 5. 6 is already pencil marked. 7s, 8s, and then 9s. Okay. 7, 9. Is that too much? Might be doing too much. Oh, we can pencil mark the 8s there, and those are 8s as well. Oh, we don't have to worry about that. That's a 5. All right, that's good. So, oh, didn't want to do that. 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9. All right, then 5s. Okay, so 5s will be here. Then that's a 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 in the column. 7, 8, and 9. A lot of 7, 8, 9s. A lot of them. All right, well, I've gone this far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are not 9s. So 9s are here. 2, 3. Okay, so 5s. No, that's not a 5. Wait, is this a 5? Yeah, that's a 5. Lovely stuff. So then this is a 5. Which moves that 5, places that 5. No, wait. I messed up. No, this is a 5. Right? Yeah, there it is. Okay. Oh, I don't know what was going on there. Messed up. I was going too fast. Demasiado rápido. Yeah, okay. That's not a 5, so that's a 7-9 pair, so that's not 7. That's not 7-9. 5-6-8 triple. 5-7-8. Okay, 7, 8, and 9 in the column. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 6s. 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 6. 7, 8, 9. All right. This is not the way to do it. So 9s are here. 9s. Okay, 7, 9. That's a 7, 8, 9 triple. So that's not an 8. This is a 6. So that's going to be a 5. 8, 6. That's going to be 7, 5, 8, 8. That's not a 5. 7, 9 pair. 7, 9 pair. Okay. Remove some 6s here. 7's there. It's now 8, 9 pair. 7, 8. Okay. All right. 6s are here. This is not 8. So, okay, so that's the 8. So then we have 9, 8, 7, 9. Places the 7 here. That's going to be a 9. Move those 7. Okay, that's an actual 8. That's a 6. That's a 9, 7, 9, 7, 9. That's going to be, that's a 9. That 9. This is a 7, 9. That's going to be an 8. This is going to be a 7. Sorry. Oh my goodness. 6. Going too fast again. 8, 7. Finish off with an 8 and a 7. All right. 1149. Not a great showing, honestly. I was going too fast, a little too confident. Not confident, a little too cocky.